Hello and welcome to Alignment 4.1 Lab 2. Go ahead and open this up in your browser and put your information in there in the student section. Let's take a look at the lab steps and dive right in. First thing is we've got to write a program that asks the user for a number. If that number is less than 100, they can put in whatever number they want. If it's less than 100, we'll output the message it's too little along with the number. If the number is greater than 100, it's too big. If it equals 100, it's just right. So this is kind of our Goldilocks lab here. So we're going to have several sections: a variable section, an assignment section, calculations and logic, and an output section. And so we're going to put our variables. We need one to hold a number and one to hold the output message. Then we're going to, in the assignment section, that's where we're going to prompt the end user for the number and convert it, making sure it is an integer. And then we're going to write three separate if statements. If the number is bigger, if it's less than, or if it's equal to, and output the message, assign the message to the message variable, and then output it to the page. So let's take a look at the code, and then I'll come back here and we'll see how it works. So first thing we have in our variable section are two variables, entered number and message. Then in our assignment section, entered number, we're prompting the end user, then converting that entered number into a number and storing it back in the variable, and then we're instantiating our message blank because we're going to do that within our if statement. And then I said in the directions we need three separate if statements. Could you do this with an if-else if? Yes, but that's a little more complex, and I don't want to throw too much at you. So here we have our first if statement. If entered number is greater than 100, set the message equal to our entered number and then is too big. If it's less than 100, same logic, but this time is too little. And then if it equals, and notice the double equal signs, if it equals 100, then it's just right. Then in our output section, all we're outputting there is our message. So let's take a look at that and try it, and we'll see how she works. So enter a number. This time we'll put in 50, and it should say 50 is too little. I'll try it with 150, and it says 150 is too big. And then lastly, I'll try it with 100, and it should say it's just right. So I just wanted to show you how you could do some of these comparisons and getting information from the end user and putting information out there conditionally based on if statements. So hopefully that makes sense to you, and happy coding.